Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the Super Best Friends badge on Snapchat. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to first open your Snapchat on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. And the first step is to choose one friend that you interact with the most. You need to send the snap regularly throughout the day and encourage them to send snap back to you. So what you can do is you need to simply tap onto this camera icon in the bottom and you need to select send in the bottom right, and you need to send them snaps regularly throughout the day and encourage them to send snap back at you, and select the send icon in the bottom right. And keep in mind that Snapchat places more emphasis on two-way interaction. That means both of you should be sending and receiving snap consistently, not just one person. And once you're each other's best friend for 2 weeks, you will receive BFF emoji. If you continue being each other's best friend for 2 months in a row, Snapchat will automatically upgrade it Super BFF badge. And that is it. That is how you can get the Super Best Friend badge on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.